Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 5th, 2023. We're going to talk about Arbitrum today because this has been a ridiculously hard market to trade. I admit I've done maybe like 2 or 3 videos in Arbitrum, and each one of those price predictions have literally gone against what I've predicted. Here's one of them right now. You guys can see that we predicted for Arbitrum to go to the downside, right? And instead of it going down, I'm going to show you this real quick. Let me zoom in. The market in Arbitrum went up immediately. Like after I did this video on the 28th of March, price began to go higher. So yeah, this particular market, albeit it's new, it has really been hard to determine where the market's going to find turning points from going down to actually going higher. That's one of the reasons why it's so hard to trade very new markets. Is because the market is still trying to figure itself out, trying to create areas and supports, resistance lines, areas to where sellers are going to be positioned and buyers are going to be. So that is the current process that is still going on in Arbitrum. So this is going to be a new market until we get more information off of the price chart. You guys can see right now, the only time that we saw Arbitrum come into our price target area was right here on this 1 hour bar right there. Okay, and it wasn't even much. You know, even on that particular video on the 28th of March, I told you that there's no idea of us knowing how low price is going to go. And seemingly back here on April the 3rd, the market in Arbitrum came as low as $1.10. That was it. Since then, market has lifted. So that kind of gives us a little bit more information though, that buyers in Arbitrum is their position right around here. Okay, so the market definitely is finding support around $1.10 to like $1.12, give or take. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. If I were to get out the market now, we would be down 12.45%. It happens. But what we do is we take the newest information that we now see on the chart and put it back into the machine and see what it spits out. Okay, so we can tell that the overall downtrend in Arbitrum was broken back on the 28th. But I also wanted to show you something else though. Like, let's not get complacent and think that this market is going to shoot higher. The market here in Arbitrum, even on the hourly chart, is making lower highs. Okay, every time the market goes down, it has the ability to recover and come back up, but then it only makes a lower high. So we're literally here now in Arbitrum, maybe around $1.30, to where we would expect to see a knockdown, a sell-off, price to go lower, unless buyers continue to trade the market this way. Okay, so this is actually the line being drawn on the chart for Arbitrum between where we're noticing the sellers and the buyers. Okay, one of these lines will break, and whichever one breaks is the one to where the sellers left or the buyers left. So let's say that the market breaks down here on this horizontal line right there around $1.11. Then that would tell us that the buyers left and that sellers dominate the market. They have full control of price. If the buyers break this descending line to the upside, then it tells you that there's no more sellers up there and that the buyers are dominating the price and they control the market. Okay, so we need to see this from that viewpoint, from that vantage point. So here it is on the 3-hour chart. Okay, and I want you all to understand that currently the market is not bearish. We're trending. The expectation would be for us to begin to see selling right there around $1.30. Okay, maybe even $1.35. Now, considering we do have more information than what we had on our last price prediction, I kind of like what's been going on into the market in Arbitrum. If anything, I really don't think the market is that weak. If we do see price get rejected up here around $1.30, it may just come down here to $1.20, even $1.15. But still, we're not seeing a massive risk of Arbitrum doing a rug pull. We don't see it on the chart yet. Now, could we possibly see a rug pull begin on this resistance, this rejection zone up there around the $1.30, $1.35? Possible. Anything's possible within the cryptocurrency space. Let's look at this on the 11-hour chart. Okay, so we just completed in the next 2 minutes the 11-hour price bar right there. Okay, so the market is still bullish. Now, given that 11-hour price bar, look at this 11-hour price bar, and then look at these two 11-hour price bars. Okay, so when you look at everything in combination, it definitely seems as if the market has an easier opportunity to trend higher. But again, we're going to be real restrictive in how bullish we're going to be. I can definitely see resistance in the market in Arbitrum right here. And then the second resistance area will be here. And then third will be here. Now we really want to see the market in Arbitrum take these three areas out to the upside. We want to see the buyers take this area out right here. This is going to be a problem for the buyers. Okay, I just want to prepare you all as to how to view the market without being emotional, without being scared, without being nervous, because we know what our expectations are. So I'm going to play the market in Arbitrum going higher. That's going to be my prediction. I'm going to predict and say that Arbitrum is going to trend to the upside, right? And this time, since we have a couple more daily price bars, we're going to do the price prediction on the daily time frame. Okay. Now we have $1.11 as support. Okay. Now these three targets that we have created in Arbitrum is going to be our price targets. Okay, so let me go ahead and bring up this magnifying glass so you guys can see these targets. That first target is going to be around $1.30. I know it's not a lot, but I want us to understand that we cannot dictate what we get from the market. The market only allows us to take so much from itself. Okay, so that will be our first target. That's only 1.69% at $1.30. Okay, 1.69, $1.30. My second target is going to be at $1.32. That's 4% move higher. You guys can see it. $1.32, $1.33. Third target is going to be around $1.35. That's 5.85% there, $1.35. And I'm going to also bring it up here towards like $1.40. Which is around 9.5%. Okay, so now I'm going to clean this up. You guys got the 4 price targets here. And we're going to go ahead and extend this downtrend line a little bit further. And my expectation is that price is going to try to break this downtrend line to the upside. If that happens, then we will have the sky as an open field to where price can move. All right, so this is the current idea that I'm looking at right now. We can definitely exceed our ultimate TP price of $1.40. Like real talk, we can definitely see price exceed that. Just want to prepare you as well too. That's it. Give me your thoughts. The comment section is open. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.